behind my house here, there's a golf course, and as you can see, we're over here at par 12, hole 12, and this is 1 Mile Creek. A little bit more impressive than it usually is. I'm trying to avoid the rain, but it's getting pretty heavy. I'm going to have to go back inside. I was hoping to get up here and get some nice shots before the rain really started, but here it is. Some birds enjoying the weather. But yeah, this creek is normally a pretty minor little trickle compared to what it is now. Out in the distance there, cut someone's paddock car. Anyways, I'm going to call it there, because yeah, as I said, expensive video camera, no electronics, and water don't go very well together. So take it easy and hopefully enjoy some footage. I'll probably get some more if I can get around the other side of the bridge, show you the 1 Mile Bridge, and